Tuende kazi.
Thank you very much, Mheshimiwa Karaja. Our Governor, His Excellency Mwalimu Mutahi wa Kahiga, mawaziri athirikari yaku ale mari haha, chairman wa Karo, MCS ale mari haha, aciari na arutwo. God is good and all the time. Nie muthenya wa umuthi ndoka kwamba kwira ngatho bana ni ngatho na aciari na arutwo ona county staff. Nigwenda kumwira mutikoeta undu oro oguo governor na senator guikarania metha imwe. Kuri county ingi governor na senator matingiikarania uguo. Ungithi Kirinyaga kiri haha, senator na governor waku ona maitho ona ngeithi matigaithanagia. Wathie Meru kure gwa Kawira, senator na governor na ma MCA matingiikara metha imwe ni bara. Ungithi Kiambu kiri haha, governor na senator na ma MCA matingirira metha imwe. Nyende kumwira aciari kira kiratuma muone ona nyumukite haha, muone ciana iria ikinyitirwo ni governor ni undu wa kurutithania wira wa county government ya Nyeri itongoretio ni Mwalimu Mutahi wa Kahiga, uria ari we the topmost leader wa thiini wa county ya Nyeri, ari governor akanyitithania atongoria othe. Na nikio muraigua mwathikiriria radio-ini uria gwaturaga tene ati kuri mundu okagira rucini akaroka kiririmbe-ini kuruma governor. Umuthi Nyeri gutiura rumori rungi, tuikaraga tugacira tandu agima nigetha tuteithie ciana ici citu. Aciari na inyuĩ ngimwire murute wira murito wa kuhwera governor we witu, tondu Mwalimu Mutahi wa Kahiga kuma anyite giti kia governor Nyeri ni kwageire thayo. Atongoria ni maraheana gitio. Nyeri county twathie na guku bururi-ini nja ni turaheo gitio. Na nikio mwataririo haha ati county assembly ya Nyeri irari na bemwe thiini wa Kenya. Nie de senator gatwika na begire county government ya Nyeri igakorwo the best performing thiini wa Kenya. Ni undu wa kindu wigwitwo andu kwaraniria.
And that is all we want. Mwarikio gorocio rwitu tuna wa matingo na ari angi na ayo ratuona. Ithuĩ turenda gugokaga wabici ĩno tukagurwo minister uyu ri ni umwe wa aria mathomithirio ni governor. Wakimwira no gututeithia hindi ndina kamukwanju. Kana tigwo. Senator nake agiuka riu uguo kahora agiuka akiuga riu tumae twakwa ni turenge. No rarora kerwo MD ri wanye waskori athomithagio ni governor. Mwaka uri kwakerwo agagithia kauga governor tugakindwara mande tugagithie tukauga hello ithuĩ twaria governors program niwe tuteithia ithuĩ twagituteithia no riu wio murenda turire. We'll do a good job. We'll do a good job. We promise to shine and do the very best. So ngirekie na kuga asanteni sana aciari. Ithuĩ tutieregaine netwire na I think there was a rira mweregete diari kuo mwari na deputy governor. No ne gwenda kumucokeria ngatho tondu riria twari kihitahitano-ini na mundu uyu no angi ni mwatuthurire na tukwenda kumucokeria ngatho cia mwanya. Tumo promise tukumurutira wira na njira nene muno. Riu ni hindi tuguthie turikitie wira uria twi naguo tuthie tutindikite twi hamwe. Inyuĩ na inyuĩ kuria matura-ini mundu athie anyitirire haria kuhota athie anyitirire wega. Umuthi ni njui twarikia kuheana cheki tukuheana kanyamu kanini kau urona nigetha mwana agikorwo na kanyamu nigetha ona kore muregete murenda ciana ciehake ari miss no murathukiria ritwa turoreka ari kanyamu kanini kangiona yele whatever little nawe uthie wongere no ha atire wira direnda uthie wambirie kwira mwana ati ile mutiheirwo akuna gitu ni kupitia tu ni hari muthuri urokeire haha wetagwo Patrick Karenga muno mwarimu na niwe chairman wa kiama kia nati kuria Nairobi ni uratuheire ngirigana nicio irahuthirirwo kugura tuindo tutu nigetha tuhe twana tutu nitwaiguana ndakihurira ruhe rwega ithe wakigua nake no areruteirie uguo arauga twana tu muthomithagia ri ngiri cigana ri tondu ningia thomithia kamwereke ndimaheo kanyamu riu nawe ndugiikia kindu ongerere hau hau ni hega hau githe ti hega.
Our own foundations at this stage, and life is in 3 stages. We have the morning hours of your life, we have the afternoon hours of your life, and the evening hours of your lives. And the students, they are in their morning hours when they are laying the foundation of their lives. And a foundation is the lowest support layer of a structure, and it's the most important part of the building. The building that is here, I understand, was built many years ago, but we don't see the foundation. But the building is still very beautiful. And we have 2 different types of foundations. We have the shallow foundation and we have the deep foundation. The shallowness or depth of a foundation depends on the building being constructed. The higher the building, the deeper and stronger the foundation. Praise God. Nataka upatie mtu high-five umwambie you are highly favored. Wale watoto, the students, please students, tell each other you are highly favored. You know, there are so many students out there who never got this chance to be here. So for you to be here, you are highly favored. So the higher you want to go in life, the stronger the foundation you must build. And I have a few truths about a foundation. Number 1, they come first. The foundations come first, and they are given the priority. You don't start decorating a building before having the foundation. You don't put up the walls. You don't put up the windows and the doors before the foundation. Another T does not become a champion by just appearing on the track. But the same way, a student does not graduate in the university immediately after joining. Number 2, foundations are dirty. Nobody wears suits and ties when the foundation is being laid. Nobody, there is no beauty pageant or wedding at the foundation. The place is not attractive. Ukienda mahali kuna jengwa, hiyo mahali si mzuri. Si ni ukweli? And the place is not attractive. People wear aprons, people wear overalls, and for the students, you wear uniforms because you are laying the foundation. Number 3, foundations are time consuming. The higher the building, the deeper the foundation, and longer time it is spent in construction. Nothing seems to be moving at the foundation, and you cannot quicken the process of doing the foundation. So some of you have been, they joined high school in Form 1. You never graduated the day your parents took you there. You are still waiting for another 1 year, 2 years, and all that. So it's a process, and you must believe and trust the process. Number 4, foundations are costly. A good proportion of the cost of the building is incurred at the foundation. A lot of finances, a lot of money is spent on the foundations because they require skilled labor and they are done by an expert. That is why in school you have expert teachers who are teaching you. And that is why also you are here today because our governor is an expert in many things. One can easily get discouraged because of the cost that is being involved. Ile fees inalipo ni mingi kwenu. And the county has put that money aside for that. It's a costly adventure to be here. And in life, you have to pay the price. Students, there you are, the person next to you, you have to pay the price. Okay, wazazi hata kama kizungu ni ngumu, ambia tu pay the price. Very good. And you have to pay the price in terms of money. You have to pay the price in terms of finances, energy, and time. For any breakthrough you need in life, the price must be paid. If you want to be a doctor, the price must be paid. For me to be here in this county working here, the price has been paid. Tell your neighbor again, you must pay the price. Then number 5, foundations are invisible. We can't see the foundation of this building. It was built many years ago. Not people will know the price you have paid to do the foundation. But once the foundation has been constructed, you can never see the foundation. It is invisible, but the beautiful building stands. People never say what